Alright, so this is our unboxing. I didn't want to show my address, so I opened up one side, but I'm gonna... Tina, help me open up the side.
Okay.
What is it?
Pasta.
Read it. What does it say?
We fed a friend and get 20, give 20 and
Get $20, get $20. Get $20, get $20. But what's the stuff? What's in the box?
Lotion.
Nope, it's not lotion. Read it. Don't guess.
Scott retreatment. Lux gel. Washco shampoo. Brown sugar. Washco.
I'm gonna say brown sugar baby detangling deep conditioner.
What's this? Is this a perfume?
No. Read it, Tina. Step 1, Curlmix Wash and Go Shampoo.
Liquid mix condition. Liquid poo.
This is step 3. Hold on, sweetie. This is step 3. Wash and Go Moisturizer. This is step 4. Wash and Go Flaxseed Gel. Step 1. Wash and Go Shampoo. This is the Revitalizing Scalp Treatment. So I'm looking through the box and I see that I don't have a step 2 shampoo or conditioner or whatever is supposed to be step 2. I have 2 step 1s, but only it goes from 1 to 3 to 4, and then it has the detangling conditioner, the flaxseed oil, all the other stuff. So I'm missing step 2. What is step 2? I don't know. I don't have it. So I'm gonna look on the website and see if I can see what step 2 was. Do I even need it? Because I honestly, I wash my hair and I dry it. That's all I do. So all these steps, okay. Okay, so I'm going to go through all the other bottles besides the shampoos, the steps. So this is the the mint condition liquid poo. This is the honey hydrated detangling deep conditioner. Hold on, this top is off. I don't like that. The top is off. Why is it off? A honey hydration detangling deep conditioner. This is the mint condition scalp treatment. So I guess we can put this right here because these are the same thing, mint condition. This is the strawberry hibiscus liquid poo. This is the daydream revitalizing scalp treatment. And then here are the steps. And then this is the brown sugar baby deep conditioner. But like I said, I just use the shampoo. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so the mint condition smells really good. It smells like spearmint gum. Like, or maybe, not spearmint, winter mint gum. That's what it smells like. No, spearmint. It's spearmint gum. That's what it smells like. And then here's the conditioner that goes with it. So I'm just going to put these next to each other. And as I told you before, it was spilling out a little bit. So I think it only started to spill as I was moving it. But somehow it made the whole trip without spilling everywhere. So that's good. We have the honey hydrator detangling deep conditioner. Let me smell it. It smells pretty good too. Let me put it up like that. We have the liquid poo, strawberry hibiscus. It actually smells like I definitely smell the hibiscus in there, but it smells like I want to say strawberry shortcake or something like that. It's really sweet. Then we have the Daydream Revitalizing Scalp Treatment. I don't know how would I use this. I actually kind of need help figuring it out. Let's see what the instructions say. Soaking on what here? Second right here. Apply treatment to the scalp. Gently massaging. Second muscle and rinse it. Falling Daydream Slippery Conditioner. Oh. Okay. So I'm supposed to use this before the shampoo. Oh, okay. Cool. Let's see what this smells like. It actually smells kind of minty. It smells minty. I don't know if it's supposed to, but it does. Maybe because some of the mint stuff got on it. I don't know. Let's smell the shampoo. This one, step 1, wash and go shampoo. It doesn't really have a smell to it. It smells like nothing. Just opening it up. This is another wash and go shampoo. I imagine it says fragrance free. That's why it doesn't have a scent. Silly me. Silly me. Alright, that's number 3. Number 3, this is Heavy Hold Moisturizing Wash and Go. You know what? I don't do wash and go, so the Heavy Hold, I don't know if that's going to be heavy enough for my 4C hair. We'll see. I'm going to try it tomorrow and see what happens, maybe. And then this is the Flaxseed Gel Heavy Hold. What's the difference between these two? One is flaxseed and one is not? Oh, one's a moisturizer, one's a flaxseed gel. Okay. And then there is the detangling conditioner. Alright, well that's all that's in this box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I will I forgot to tell you. I bought this when they're going out of business in December. So I think the whole package together was about $135 or $150, something like that. But it's well worth the cause if it helps keep the business in business, which I think it did. So, yay!